So, I'm not sure what kind of plushies you're looking to have done, but if you're specifically thinking about making the 20cm cotton dolls, or K-pop dolls, whichever you call them, this may be the kind of ballpark you may be looking at. So, my design was very complicated, considering the hair was different colors, and the face embroidery had around 5 colors. So for the whole order, the minimum was 50, so I got 50 dolls, and each one was around $13 per doll. But the real killer when it comes to getting the plushies made is the shipping, which the cheapest option was $200. So the total for the dolls was $780. That is not including the sample, which was $210 with shipping included. So in total, the entire process was around $990. So that was around $20 per doll. So yeah, quite the investment. The dolls may be cheaper if you opt to go with hair that is not brushable, so like dolls with short hair and with only one hair color and perhaps a really simple face with less than 3 embroidery colors. All of that stuff really adds up and can make it way more expensive. And I don't have any other experiences with manufacturing plushies specifically. There may be some cheaper factories out there, but I'd have to say for the price I paid, all the plushies were in perfect shape, so there wasn't a quality issue at all. I definitely recommend looking around on Alibaba and seeing what kinds of factories are out there, and there's no harm with just asking around with different representatives, asking them for sample photos. They will be more than happy to send you pictures that are similar to what you're looking to get done. Just be aware that most factories are not going to want to go lower than 50 or 100 pieces. It's probably the hardest thing about getting plushies made, which is truly the gamble of getting that many things made and crossing your fingers and hoping that the design will be good enough to actually get sold. So the best action would probably be get a sample made and then gauge interest and see if it'd be worth it to invest fully in the full production. So that's just my advice. Sorry if this was super long, but I hope that was helpful.